If you have been wondering how can you turn on the Roblox face tracking feature, you are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end and you'll know exactly how can you do that. So let's jump right into it. First we need to get something out of the way. We need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Roblox game updated to the latest version for this method to work properly. So after updating the game, you can finally go ahead and open it. Now before we start on that as well, I should tell you that you have to have a front-facing camera on your device and also be in a location in which this feature is available for this method to of course work properly. After that, you need to go to your settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner right here, and then from this list scroll down a little bit and then tap on settings. So here we go, tap on settings. Now tap on account info at the very top. Wait for this to load up, and then from here you need to make sure that you have your age right here, and it should be verified of course. And then right here on top of it you should have your phone number and your email, both of them associated to your account and verified. These are a must-have things to actually turn on the face tracking feature. Now go back from there and go to privacy. So tap on privacy to open it, and once it does open again, you need to find this little toggle right here. So scroll down a little bit and then find this little toggle right here. You need to turn it on. So tap on it and then tap on enable. And just like that, you have turned on the face tracking feature on your mobile device for your Roblox account. I'm gonna turn it off because I don't need that feature to be on. Anyways, now you know how can you turn it on. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video, and of course share it with your friends, and of course subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.